Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to provide you details regarding the day 2 of onboarding. So previously, if you haven't watched our day 1 onboarding, please check it out. I'll provide the link in the description, or you can find it in the Deloitte playlist. If you have any queries related to the Deloitte onboarding, please check out our Deloitte playlist. It might help you. Mostly your day 2 is same as the day 1. Once your day 2 starts, you will come to the office, then you will have the breakfast, then you will go to your respective training rooms, then again it's break, which is snacks, then after that lunch, and also next it is snacks, then again by the end of the day you have to leave. So I'll attach all the pictures that have regarding the day 2. Coming to the most specific things that happens on day 2 is they will make you sure about the leaves process. How many leaves do we have in our organization, and what is the process, and how many number of leaves we have for the specific category, like we have personal leaves, privilege leaves, sick leaves, casual leaves, etc. You will know more about this in detail. The one interesting thing in Deloitte is you will have the disconnect, which is nothing but you will not come to office. Like we will have, I guess, around 7 days, which is by the end of the year. We'll talk about that in the another video. I guess this is one of the interesting thing in Deloitte which no other MNCs has. Coming to the training room, we have tasks, games, fun activities, and also in the afternoon session, I guess some of the leaders will come to our training rooms and will share their experience. As usual, you will have lot of chocolates on day 2 also. Nothing much about day 2 because everything was covered on day 1. As I mentioned in the day 1 of onboarding video, that is about laptop specifications. So most of us got the laptop which is HP ProBook, and also it is the touchscreen laptop, and also the interesting is it is 360-degree rotation. I'll try to attach the video to show the specifications of the laptop if possible. The one interesting thing that I want to share is the relocation allowance, which is 40k. You will get it in your first salary. You will get this 40k along with your first salary. If you have any queries, just do let me know in this comment section so that I can cover those queries in the next coming video, which is day 3 and day 4. And the one thing that I have seen is, so we got the pre-start learning program, that is D-Launch program, to complete all the pre-start learning courses. But when we were onboarded, then they gave us the one more week, extra week, to complete all those pre-start training courses. I'm not sure whether you will get that extra 1 week to complete the courses, but I'm just sharing whatever I experienced. Guys, the thing I have seen under the Deloitte day 1 of onboarding video is I'm getting lot of comments regarding the mandatory things that need to be carried on the day 1. Already I clearly specified it in the day 1 of onboarding video that you need to carry the Aadhaar card and the email soft copy. Please make sure you watch the video from the beginning to the end. And if your doubts were not clarified, just do let me know in the comment section. But without watching the video, please don't put repetitive comments that is already clarified in the video. I hope you understood. From now, I'm trying to respond to the comments which I got in the video of onboarding 1. The first one, and it is very repetitive, is when do we get the offer letter after receiving the LOI? In my case, I got my letter of intent on 11th April 2023, and I got my offer letter on 9th Jan 2024. This is just happened to me. I am not telling that this is the same case for you, but just giving an idea that when I got my LOI and when I got my offer letter. So it depends on the onboarding, phase wise onboarding that you get. Mine was the last phase that I was onboarded. So I am not sure that you will the same time will be taken for you. Just I'm sharing the information that is what happened to me, but I'm not exactly saying that this is the same case for you. It took me around 9 months after receiving LOI to get the offer letter. I also seen some comments like soft copies and hard copies. Just trust me, nobody will ask your hard copies once you were onboarded. Even before onboarding, nobody will ask you about your hard copies documents. Just you need to upload the documents that is required in the portal itself. So I guess only soft copies were enough in order to complete your onboarding process. This is according to my knowledge that I am sharing. I can surely say that we can manage with the soft copies, and it's not at all a mandatory thing that you need to have the hard copies. I hope this will help you a lot because getting a lot of comments and I'm saying that, so that's why I'm replaying it here. Already I have put clearly in the day one of onboarding video, that is, please do not carry any bag, because while returning back to your hostel or home you need to carry 2 bags. So please do not mention the repetitive comments that is already covered in the video in the comment section, but making sure that please do not carry any bag on the day one, because while leaving the office you need to carry your laptop bag and as well as your personal bag that you bought. I hope I have cleared your queries that is mentioned in the day one onboarding video. And if you have many other queries, please just do let me know in the comment section so that I can respond to that queries in the next coming video, which is day 3 and day 4 of onboarding. If you have any suggestions or ideas that you want to make me videos, just do let me know in the comment section so that I can do that. Guys, just trust me, it is too hard to make the videos and it consumes lots of time to do, and we need to put the efforts to make the video and to edit that and to post it and everything. Guys, a small request, if you really feel that my content and my videos, the information that I'm sharing in the video is helping you a lot, then please do subscribe to our channel so that I can make the more informative videos which will help you. Thank you for watching.